In this video, let's explore the new JavaScript OpenSDK from TestProject. Now there is support for C#, Python, Java, and JavaScript, four of the most popular programming languages. The free test automation platform helps us to perform web, mobile, and API testing. We can use Windows, Mac, or Linux with an ability to store our test and execute our test locally on any source controller tool. Selenium and Appium are the commands for writing our test scripts. I will explain the Open SDK, then discuss the architecture that includes the Open SDK, agent, drivers, and browsers. After the architecture, we can focus on JavaScript, how to set up and execute our test. OpenSDK is an open source automation framework. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. It is a set of tools that assist us with testing web and native mobile applications. Therefore, we can target iOS and Android. In addition, the OpenSDK provides free dashboards and reports. It's unique for many reasons, but two reasons include: number one, the complexity to set up our testing is reduced. And number two, it stands out because one framework, one library supports web and mobile for all browsers. For the architecture, we see OpenSDK, agent, target, drivers, dashboards, and analytics. Installing the OpenSDK is different for each programming language. JavaScript is available as an NPM package. NPM means Node Package Manager, and it is default package manager for JavaScript. Python is available as a PyPy project. Java is available as Maven or a Gradle project. Last is C#, which is available as a NuGet dependency. The agent works with the OpenSDK. To access our local resources, we can download the agent to our computer or install it with Docker. In this diagram, we see it communicates with the target and the browser. The target is a device like a mobile phone, while Chrome, Firefox, Edge, IE, and Safari are the supported browsers. A key feature is automatically detecting each connected device plus identifying our browser. When it comes to the Selenium drivers and Appium servers, they are contained in the agent. Therefore, TestProject allows us to use pure Selenium and Appium commands, then extend the functionality. The dashboards are free and analytics are also free. Our test results can be sent back to TestProject so we can share the information, share the screenshots, or whatever is valuable. The HTML report feature has two PDF format options: summary report or full report. Now, when it comes to setting up and executing our tests, we can use this page for the Open SDK as a resource. It has all four programming languages. It has JavaScript, Python, Java, and C#. Let's go to JavaScript. On GitHub, we see information to get started by logging into our account, downloading the agent, installing the agent, running the agent, and getting a development token. Next is the installation for NPM. The GitHub page, this here, walks us through getting a development token. It walks us through the drivers for web, Selenium, and mobile Appium. We spoke about getting a development token. Now, we use the token for communication between the agent and the TestProject's platform. Remote agent, we have the option of explicitly specifying our project and the job name. Test reports are automatically reported when our test is complete. Now, we can also walk through by using the code by going to this OpenSDK page, and we see how we can get started in minutes with only one command. The command is npm install for JavaScript OpenSDK. Now, on line 1, when this here gets to it, we see how it shows import by from Selenium WebDriver. We did not install Selenium, but this import statement on line 1 shows how Selenium is already pre-bundled in the agent. Since it's pre-bundled, we bypass downloading the driver and do not have to maintain the drivers. Line 2, it shows import builder, which comes directly from JavaScript OpenSDK. The purpose of builder is to help to create our driver. For an example, on line 6, it shows driver and builder. Also, we see Chrome as the browser. Line 4 declares describe, which is used to define the test scripts created by the it function on line 5. Line 7, line 8, and I believe on line 9. Yes. They are pure Selenium commands. The await keyword causes our code to pause. Line 7 types test automation by using the Selenium send keys command. On line 8, it clicks a button using the XPath locator. When it comes to reporting on line 10, when it gets there, but let me go back to line 9, because I see line 9 is the get text method, and it uses the CSS selector method. Now, this is what I was speaking about. On line 10, this here step manually reports that step. The report object helps us to manage our report. For this step, it will report the manual step. This is a manual step in the report. So when it comes to this next section, when it says text equals test automation, that step is that statement is a condition to determine if there will be a screenshot. That's it. And that's all it takes to execute our test using TestProject's OpenSDK for JavaScript. Now, when it comes to line 11, that's the quit command. And the quit command completes our test when it executes. After the test executes, we can analyze our report. And we can also view the HTML local report. The description for free analytics shows collaborate or share your test execution results in one centralized dashboard to debug fast and ship with confidence. Get insights about release quality with step-by-step detailed reports, including screenshots and logs. The description for local HTML reports, it shows that it benefits from detailed Selenium, Appium, or BDD test reports. Thanks for watching the new JavaScript OpenSDK support, and I will see you in the next session.